Screw gravity.
Away with the lights and down, with every last remaining conversational high. Are we out of sight? I'm not about to let this keep me up in the night. Are we happy few? We condescending, congregating party of fools. Any words will do. A streaking and a stalking in a room with a view. And I've done what I could to black and white and down technicolor. But I know I got to be good if I wanna catch the breakdown. I know I should, yes I should. Yes I should. I run away while I could. Here's a new week to complete what Damon or Gonzalez would have done in a day. Race to out defeat. Let's sugarcoat it all to cut the meaning away. This is all so well